same thing again. Rise out of bed, roll it up with the blend. They say old habits die hard in the end, so it no matter how hard I pretend.
Loud City.
It's Calibots and the movement, yeah. Bobby Hustle, no, such a clean habit, yeah. Boy. You know I gotta have it, it ain't gonna lead nowhere. Except the many leeches and the people with the power, but nobody cares. Cause all I do is sit and dream about drinking and women and music. It's just gonna get me another reason to use and abuse it. But still I gotta, I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. Search for the high grade in a mistache. And watch the girl them wind up like me, they a calibash. What? Feeling so good, couple grams in a me pocket. If you not smoke, that's okay, but don't you knock it. God bless the nation, yet no people have a high grade occupation. Yet me say so, anytime you see me, when you see me, eyes red up, yeah. It's a habit, not gonna let up, yeah. Cause all me really need is a little bit of weed and a woman by my side and a reggae beat, yeah. And I bet you never know until you do it now. Moment coming, tell them how the habits feed now. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn down. And so I light it up. I live and I learn, all I wanna do is burn. Yeah.
I smoke a zip in an afternoon. It's 5 o'clock, I'm trying to smoke all evening too. So where you want to? Do you have a next link? Cause I got a habit and it needs addressing. You know I wanna hold it, break it up and roll it, twist it up and fold it, any kind of way. I'm an addict like the ceiling, in need of that healing. If I can't have it, I'ma feel some type of way. So when we start smoke, we not stop smoke. I'm from the West Coast, riding with the best smoke. You know, say it's the movement. Cali and the hustle in the streets, them see me moving. Ganja man, the hustle still. You know I got a way of vanishing like the smoke in the sky. I gotta have it to manage the pain like smoke in my eye. Sometimes I light it up just to smoke and get high. Yeah, I gotta have it, man, I smoke to get by.
You know I gotta have it and I know I don't have it to give away. If I see it, I'm gonna grab it. My mind is a mess and I'm always stressing it. Maybe I'll never need this drink, a top of tablets.